I'm part of the founding committee for New South Wales Maori Wardens.
We wanted to put ourselves out there so that the wider community would know a little bit more about us, and it was a good opportunity for us to start letting people know that we're here.
To be brief, the Maori Wardens Association here is really to tautoko, to awhia kauma, to koe, to awhia our tamariki and our rangatahi.
We wanted to start small. We wanted like that intimate feel.
Oh, today I'd say we'd have at least 10 Māori organisations here from kapahaka groups, language classes, from sporting organisations, from business networks, and the ultimate outcome for us is to hold more of these. I think the day's gone really well today. I'm really happy about the turnout.
Yep.
And just seeing our people come together in our community.